Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So today, as you can see in the title, this is my second video, and I'm playing Strongman Simulator. It's by the gang Stockholm, and it's a really fun game where you drag like food or any other things to to get stronger in Roblox. Okay, let's play it. And it's all his game, not mine. It's like super cool. And like yeah, and let me show you how I got a lot of things. So like let me do this first. Oh, no. Sorry. Let me do this. Okay, and if you come back every day for every day, you'll get greater rewards. Like I can collect a greater reward. So let's do this. So this is the first stage, which I already beat, but let me show you. Okay, so you have to get stronger. Like you can grab the maximum amount of feather, and the maximum amount of rubber ducks, and the maximum of toilets. I don't know why they added toilets, but I think they just wanted to be funny. Oh, that's my brother in the game. Look, that's my brother, Noah, worst player. He likes playing Roblox. Noah, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's my brother.
You can use codes in this game.
Yeah, let me show you. Let me show them. You can also use promo codes. And yeah, that's how I get a lot of strength. And when you pull it to the finish line, you get more strength. And then there's like a test for each world. Like you have to lift a thing. For this one, it's dumpster. And now let's go. Yeah. Medicine, cat ball, kettlebell, and weights, and then tires. And my brother's in this game. He also really likes this game too. And when you grab all of them, yeah, it's the same thing. You'll get more speed. Oh, and I didn't show you this. If you can use all of your speed for like this workout. I have like, I can show you guys. I have like 20.9k speed. So we can do these, and they will increase our strength, like that. Okay, and that's how you do. And this is a test, which is a protein bar. And if you're strong enough, you can do this. And you just get the protein bar out. But you don't need to get the protein bar out. If you already, well, you do, but if you already, like, got all of them out, and then already, and you already passed it, you can just go through this all. It is for every one of them if you already passed it. This one I really like because you get to grab food, which I like, and I don't think I can grab all of them because I think I'm not that strong enough, but I can try. Grab fries, grab sushi. Now let's grab the trash can. I mean a soda. I got a soda. I mean trash can. Let's go. Whee! Oh, and you can also grab these things, but they don't increase your speed. It's just trying to help you with your speed. It like tests you. And there's gonna be a secret at the end that I will show you. Okay. For the next world, for this one, you just need to move this. Let me show you what it looks like for my left. Like that. And you grab it. And I also like this one because you get like you can grab foosball tables, air hockey tables, and I don't think I actually did, and air hockey tables, pool tables, and racing arcades, and basketball. I'm pretty sure I can do all of them. Okay, at the same time. It's gonna be a little glitchy. So let's do this. Yes, and that's how you do it. And then we have to move this to go to the next area. Like that. And then you go to the next area. This is the one that I still can't pass. Let's try to pass it from all the speed I earned. And see, I can't get all of these because I'm not strong enough. But my brother can do it. Like, he can show you. Noah, do all of them. Try to do all of them. I think you can. Wait, can you at least go to the next world? It takes a long time if you're... I need to drop an item because I can't do all of them. Oh, no, so no, I can't do it. This is my brother. He can't do it. Yeah, that's my brother's YouTube channel, Noah Fun Game. You should really subscribe to his channel. I think it's really good. And this is why I can't lift it. And I can try and see which is... I don't know what's... Let me try and glitch this. Wait, no. Okay. Let me just try I can try to show you, but it won't be like a good... Let me try and do this. Okay. It'll be like something like this. Like you... Like, I think it's like this and some other stuff, which are cool. Like, I think this is like a knight. Yeah, that's like a knight helmet, and I don't know the others. Oh, I think this is like a soldier or something. Yeah, and those are like some of the worlds. But I'll tell you to all the worlds. So there's, that's how much areas there are. So first is start area, gym area, food area, arcade area, farm area, castle area, steampunk area, disco area, space area, candy area, lab area, tropical area, dino area, retro area, winter area, deep sea area, wild west area, luxury apartment area, treasure vault area, excuse me, fairy tale area, excuse me again, and peach blossom area. Yeah, and those are the things. And you can also get pets. Like these are the pets I have.
If you like this video,
Yeah, if you really like, yeah, and also like and subscribe to Noah's channel, please, if you really like the video. Okay, guys, I think we should wrap it up, or let me tell you guys some things. Like, you can also go to the shop and get more speed and the promo codes, and you can like turn off music or turn on music. By the way, there's different season events, so yeah, to get other things. And yeah, but I'm going to tell you one secret hack that me and my brother know. You first have to go all the way to the beginning, so I'll just teleport there so I don't waste any time. Okay, now, you just have to like, you don't go through the gate, you can go through the gate. Like, actually, you can't, but you can go outside of the gate. Like, you have to go somewhere. Wait, where is it? Wait, oh, it's here. I forgot. Remember when I told you that when you pass the next world, you can just go through the walls? You can just do this. And then you just have to aim at the right spot and go to the gate. And then you can go out like this and see the surrounding area. Wait, no, maybe not. But I used to. Well, maybe another way would work, but yeah, if you're like small enough, I think you can go in those holes. But I'm super like big, so yeah. Maybe I can try and do something. I glitched. and then you can like check the surrounding area. Yeah, I used to be able to fit in those cracks, but because I'm too big, then that's why I can't do it. So let me finish this video. Let me wrap up this video by doing a workout. This quick little workout of doing squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then 21. Done. Yeah, I became strong. Let me see if I can lift that thing now. I never lift the farm area, so if I do this in this video, it would be very cool. But if I don't, it's okay. I can try doing it in another video maybe. Let's do this. I glitched it! I glitched it, Noah! I glitched it! I glitched it! I like went over it! Oh my goodness, that's how you do it! If you want to glitch it! I glitched it! I glitched it, Noah! That's how you do it! Yes! But it still didn't tell me the castle area, but at least I'm in here, right? Looks cool, right? Now I can actually show you it. This is a swordsman, which I still can't carry. This is the pikeman, which I also can. Wait, I can carry. Yes, like kinda. Wait, you can actually go in like real? Can you real go in? Wait, let me see something that my brother did, okay? Okay, let me just, okay, I'm gonna still be. Yes? Oh, he opened the drawbridge! He did it! My brother opened the drawbridge. Yes. My goodness. Good job. You did it. I'll show you how I do it. So let me, oh, was that my mistake of teleporting? Okay, let's do it. I'm going to show you how I do it. Come on. Oh, it's not working right now. Wait. Oh, this is hard. But everyone saw me done it, right? I like went over it. But everyone saw me done it, right? Okay, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Yeah, and maybe next time I'm gonna show you a secret surprise on Scratch. Maybe. Okay? Okay. Bye. I hope you have a good day, a good night, and a good evening. And I hope you have great days every day. Bye. See you later.